Hello, I am John Hooks from John-Hooks.com and SuccessEze.com. And this is going to be a demo of the product SuccessEze Intro. It's a fantastic product. You're going to love it. And let's get started. So when you go ahead and received your URL, you go ahead and log in with your email address and password that you created for it, and click on log in. And here you come to the home area. This is the page where what you're looking at now. And as you notice, on each of these, as you scroll over them, it gives you a little sample of what is going to happen in the intro or outro that you create. And there are tons of them. Okay, my screen isn't capturing everything, but as you can see, like the tops of these buttons here, that we have a couple, few pages of them. And so if I just click on this one, you see that we have another page of them. All right, we're going to go through the rest of these buttons here in a moment. So let's get started on creating a project. All right. As you see, if I click on here, we have no project so far. So we're going to go back to the home page here. We're going to scroll through and look for something that we might like. And if there's nothing on this page, that one's pretty nice. There are a lot of them, and you can customize different things here. That one's pretty cool. That one's pretty cool. I like that one. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and choose one. It'll open it up, and so you can see what it will look like. And if that's what you want to use, you can go ahead and click on Create Video. And to start off with, you have for this particular one, we have two items to add to it. One is a logo, and one is like a title. And so to click on logo, we'll click on logo. I had already loaded one, and so, or basically you can just go to browse and upload a logo or object from your computer. You can also use images from Pixabay and Unsplash too as options for you. Especially if you're not branding a specific name, you can do so. And so in everything that you go and browse and upload, it'll be added to your library, and it will stay there forever unless you get rid of it, by deleting it. And so we're going to go ahead and choose this logo, SuccessEze.com. If you wanted to crop it, you will have the option to do that, but that looks to be a pretty good size for what we are using it for. We'll go ahead and click Choose. Now, it does come with a recommended size, but I found by using this for a while is that, if it's anything close to what that recommended size is, it works perfectly. You're not going to have any, overlapping, white space or anything like that. All right. And so this typically calls for a title. And so here, personally, I would put a tagline. So like for this, for SuccessEze, I would put, providing tools for your success. That sounds good. And as you see, you do have a maximum number of characters that you can put. And it may vary depending upon which template that you choose. And also up here, to distinguish, one project from another, you can give it a project name. And so this we will just call it SuccessEze Demo. All right, for the purposes of this demo, and we will click Next. All right, now this page is your primary colors for your text. It does have some already listed by default down the page there, and if you don't like any of those, you can always go to custom, choose, on the bar here, and you can always go and choose your your custom image. I like something usually around that color as well as white, because on most of these templates the background is dark, so I like to have something to stand out. So once you're happy with your color, either from the palette or from your custom colors, go ahead and click next. And here it already has the music loaded from our sample. Not sure if you can hear that or not because I have the mic turned towards me, but you can also go through and sample any of these by clicking on the play button. You can just go through them. And by the way, guys, yeah, you have more background music to choose than you have templates. There are literally tons, loads of them, loads of them, loads of them, loads of them, loads of them. Okay, a whole bunch of that. And of course, you can upload your own music if you have something in particular that you already have. So I'm going to stick with the default that came with this particular template, and I'm going to go ahead and click next. Okay, now here we're just about done. Actually, we are done. We just need for it to render. And so you're going to click on the Start Rendering button. It goes to your project page, and as you see down here, it is rendering. Now, typically, I'd say 3 to 6 minutes is what it will take for a project to render. And so at this point, I'll go ahead and stop the recording, and we will come back after it has finished rendering. Okay, guys, I am back, and as you see, it took about 5 minutes for this to render. And so this time here, no matter how long you have this particular project, it will always tell you how long ago it was created. All right, so we started rendering on this 5 minutes ago. It is now complete. And so also, let me tell you, this is a cloud-based system. So that means that if you have multiple computers, you can log on. Like for instance, I'm on my desktop right now, but if I log into my laptop and open up, I am going to see this because things, it's not downloaded to your hard drive. All right. And in addition, another cool thing is that you don't have to sit and wait and watch this. You actually will receive an email to the email address that you signed up with, and it will actually send you an email notification that your project has finished rendering. Okay, so let's take a look at it and see if it's something that we like. All we do is just click on it and then just click on play. Alrighty, so that is pretty cool. And of course, if you've seen any of my review videos, I use a particular one created with SuccessEze intro that I use all the time. I use one for my intro and I use a different one for my outro. And so use them however you want. Create as many as you want. It is unlimited. There's no cap on how many projects you can create. All right, and so once you like your product, you can go ahead and download it. And as a matter of fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to download this, and I'm going to put this at the beginning of the demo video that I just created here for you guys. All right, well, once again, thanks for watching the demo. I will talk to you soon.